today we're gonna pick some of these beautiful ripe figs from the fig tree, and with them we're gonna make a delicious appetizer. We have rinsed our figs, and now it's time to start slicing our baguette. I'm gonna slice it sideways like this to make a little bit of a larger surface. And these pieces of bread we're gonna toast on both sides. And now we're gonna set these aside to toast in the oven later on. We're gonna start picking a few of these figs and slice them. The other day, our friend Tammy came over and she made this for us, and we have just absolutely fallen in love with this. We're gonna slice them up just like so. And then we'll drizzle a little bit of balsamic vinegar in them, a little olive oil. We'll even mince a little bit of the thyme. Let me show you how gorgeous the inside of a fig is. Look at all these teeny little seeds, and the color is just so beautiful, and it's sweet like honey. If you've never eaten a fig, you really need to try one. On some of them, you could even do this. I'm gonna cut this little top off, and if you cut it not all the way down, but probably into eighths, let me see. This would be a really fun way to place a little flower right on top, and immediately you have something quite elegant. We're gonna transfer our figs into this bowl right here, and we might have to add a few more, but for right now this is what we have. And to this we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil and some balsamic vinegar. Here are two different types of thyme. This is the one with the very small leaves, and this one has larger leaves, but we're gonna take some of this thyme and add it to the figs. We're gonna chop it up nice and fine. Let me see, there is the stem. And I think this is going to give it a very wonderful flavor. I believe this is fine enough. We'll put it right in here. And now we're going to add some olive oil. Just a quick drizzle like this. Let's get some of this balsamic vinegar. We're just gonna put a little bit on there. Like this. We're gonna stir all this up, making sure that all ingredients have a little bit of the balsamic and the olive oil. And guys, this is it. This is how simple it is. We actually decided to add already a little drizzle of honey to all of this. There it is. This is chestnut honey from my brother's honeybees. And then at the very end, we'll add just a little bit more. Our baguette slices are ready to go into the oven, and they're going to be nicely toasted. Our gas-fired oven has been preheating. We're going to slide the bread in and watch it carefully as it toasts. Let's take these guys out and flip them. Oh, that's hot. Let's place them back in and get the other side done as well. And here are our beautiful slices. Sad and I are so excited about the assembly now. This goat cheese is so good. It has some honey in it. We're gonna get some of this and place it right on a piece of this toasted baguette. Let's get a little more. Oh, it's so creamy and so delicious. Very mild flavor. Here's a bit more, and we will do this with every piece of toasted baguette. Can barely wait to put some of these figs right on top of each one of these. Look at this. This is going to be So incredibly delicious. On a few of them, we're going to put our fig flour on there and nicely fan it out. Look how elegant that looks. To top it all off, we're going to just drizzle some olive oil over all of them. And then we'll also drizzle some honey. Look at this. Wow. Just a little bit more of this balsamic. Let's see if we can do it very sparingly. Yeah, like this. Perfect. Ooh, look at this. This will be so good. And then some of this Himalayan salt right over the very top. And we have an amazing appetizer to serve. We're gonna pinch off just a little bit of this thyme and put it right on here. And I think I am going to taste the first one. Look at how delicious and beautiful this looks. The honey, the olive oil, the salt. Oh my goodness. Buon appetito. Mmm. Mmm, 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 mmm.